Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Root Beer here with A4 on our 2012 Open Contest, Canadian Open Contest. 12 different lines are drawn on the coordinate plane so that each line is parallel to exactly two other lines. So here we've got a line parallel to two others, line parallel, line parallel. Alright, kind of nice. But each line is, so we only get groups of three that are parallel to each other. You can't have four lines that are parallel to each other. Furthermore, no three lines intersect at a point. So we never get a situation like this. Determine the total number of intersection points along the 12 lines. Okay. So, if I think about one line, say this line here, how many lines is it going to intersect? Well, it can't intersect, say, these two, but it will eventually, if I extend it out in all directions, it'll hit this one and 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 this one, all in distinct points. And if I extend these ones down here out, they'll probably hit around here or something like that. So this red line gets 9 intersection points. Okay, so we can start writing things down. So intersects 9 of the other 11 lines, right? Because it can't intersect the two that it's parallel to, and of course it doesn't intersect itself. So it's out of the running, plus the two that are parallel. That leaves just 9 out of the total 12. This line and the two it's parallel don't count. So each line does this. These will be distinct points. Because we are told that no 3 lines intersect at a given point. So each of the 12 lines gives me 9 points. However, this point is on both this line and this line. So each point is created by 2 lines. So this is sort of a counting problem where we're counting in 2 different ways. Okay. Each of the total, did they give a number? And they just, so each of the total n points is on exactly, I'm not spelling exactly correctly, is on exactly 2 lines. Okay. So there are 12 lines times 9 points, but that's the say points per line. And then there's 2 points, or sorry, n points times 2 lines per point. Okay. So if we multiply this all out, we should get 9 times 12. The number of points we see that counting each line should be equal to 2 times n, the number of lines based on number of points coming from the lines. Right? Do I have that arranged? I feel like the units that I've got here should technically be canceling out. 12 lines, 9 points per line, n points, 2 lines accounted for on each point. Yeah, so each point is counted twice because it's coming from 2 different lines. Okay, so divide by 2 on both sides. 9 times 6 is going to be n. So n is going to be 54. And there we go. So we would think 108, 9 points, 12 lines, 108, but each point is counted twice. We have to divide by 2, and there we get 54. Alright, so that was A4. Up next, we're going to be starting the B part questions. They're worth a little more. They should, in theory, be a little harder. So we'll start that in the next video. We'll learn about Alice and Bob then. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.